If you just love dusting your light fixtures, this video is not for you. But if you are like the rest of us, I am going to show you some light fixtures that, as a professional cleaner, I absolutely cringe when I see. Never fear, at the end, I'm going to show you some light fixtures that I highly recommend. All right, let's go. So the more surfaces or surface area that you have on your light fixtures, you have space for dust to land. And the more intricate the design is of the light fixture, increases the time that it will take to clean that particular light fixture. Exhibit A. Look at this thing. I mean, all the little nooks, crannies, spaces that you would have to individually dust. Oh my God, holy nightmare. That thing puts me into instant anxiety just looking at it. Yeah, so here is the installer, but I am looking forward into dusting each arm, each light, each little light bulb. It's a nightmare waiting to happen. Now, this thing is gorgeous, don't get me wrong, but each little light bulb cover that looks like a little pretty flower has to be dusted top, bottom, inside out. This one is a little bit easier to dust, but still not my favorite. Now this one, oh my God, feathers, are you kidding me? Like if you have pets, if you are just like a hairy person, this is not going to work for you. This lampshade cover is very annoying because each little teeny tiny wicker piece is going to collect dust, and I can guarantee you one of those wicker pieces is going to break. So just don't buy it. And again, with the individual beads, and then look at that fabric that's wrapped around the metal structures there. Each and every tiny little fabric is going to need to be dusted. The reason I would never use this one or buy this is because it's literally built like a bowl. There's no way to really easily get the dust out from inside. Ugh. This one looks interesting and intriguing, but I do wonder how long it would take to actually fully dust it that well. Now, this one is more like it. However, the wood planks on the top are going to collect quite a bit of dust, as well as that metal grating. So not my favorite, but not too bad. This is more like it. So you'll see the covers around the actual light bulbs themselves. They are not going to act as a bowl or like a receptacle to just hold in the dust. Same here with these. These are much easier to dust. I will say though, if you get the brushed glass where it's kind of buffed, sometimes they're a little bit easy to clean and sometimes not so much. This fixture also works pretty well, but again, you'll need to individually clean those bulbs and make sure you turn the lights off before you do so. Now, I love these lights in a kitchen. You're not going to collect as much dust. However, with it being black on the top, you're going to see the dust more frequently. So make sure you do it once a week. Again, this is a nice, easy light fixture. I think it's classy. I think it's beautiful. And I hope these tips help.